Welcome to our lesson on the properties of rectangles. Today, we will focus on a very important characteristic, understanding the equal lengths of their diagonals. Let's start with the basics. A rectangle is a shape with four sides. What makes it special is that all four of its corners are right angles, meaning they each measure 90 degrees. Because of this, the sides opposite each other are always equal in length. Now, let's talk about diagonals. A diagonal is a straight line that connects two opposite corners of a shape. If you draw lines from one corner to the one diagonally across from it, you will find that a rectangle has exactly two diagonals. Here is the main point for today. In any rectangle, no matter its size, the two diagonals are congruent. The word congruent is a geometry term that simply means they are equal in length. To help you picture this, imagine you could lift the two diagonals right out of the rectangle. If you were to place one directly on top of the other, they would match up perfectly from end to end. They have the exact same length. So, why are the diagonals always equal? The secret lies in right-angled triangles. When you draw a diagonal in a rectangle, you actually split it into two identical right-angled triangles. The diagonal itself becomes the longest side of that triangle, which is known as the hypotenuse. There's a famous mathematical rule called the Pythagorean theorem that helps us here. It applies to all right-angled triangles. It says that if you take the lengths of the two shorter sides, square them, and add them together, the result will be equal to the square of the longest side, the hypotenuse. Here, S how it all connects. A rectangle's width and height are the same for both triangles that are formed by the two diagonals. Since both triangles use the same side lengths in the Pythagorean theorem, the length of their hypotenuse, which is the diagonal, must also be the same. Let's try an example. Imagine a rectangle with a height of 6 and a width of 8. To find the diagonal's length, we use the theorem. 6 squared is 36 and 8 squared is 64. Added together, they make 100. The square root of 100 is 10, so the diagonal is 10 units long. To summarize what we've learned, a rectangle is a four-sided shape with four right angles. Its diagonals are the lines that connect opposite corners. Most importantly, the two diagonals of any rectangle are always congruent or equal in length because they form two right triangles with the same side lengths.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.